Hey guys, Sunny here with Chasing Flavors. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Today I am doing my baked salmon with butter, garlic, and herbs. A whole bunch of very nice herbs. This salmon here has been washed, cleaned, pat dry, and now it's on the tray to go into the oven. But before we put it into the oven, what we're gonna do is we are going to lather it up with my butter that is already filled with the herbs. So what I did was I took a stick of butter and I melted the butter, and then I mixed in my chives, rosemary, fresh garlic, lemon zest, because we definitely gotta have some lemon zest in there. Okay, so we're going to put this butter on the salmon and we're just gonna spread it. Now that your salmon has its butter on there that's filled with all of that great stuff, like chives, rosemary, garlic, lemon zest, salt, pepper, 1 stick of full butter, melted, softened. Now you want to add a few little garnishments. Like I like to put a little some scallions up on top. That's gonna give it some really nice flavor. So I'll put the scallions up on there. Yeah, I don't want to go crazy, but you know, there's no certain amount, add what you want. Parsley. So I'm gonna add some parsley up there. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna add that. Now it is ready for the oven. We're gonna bake this on 375 for about 30 minutes and then check it and see. It's a nice big thick slab of salmon. So we're gonna put it in and see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna pair my salmon with some roasted asparagus. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some olive oil onto the tray. It's a little dredge. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, add a little bit of salt, not too much salt, but just a little bit. Then I'm going to add some pepper. Okay, a little bit of pepper. Then I'm going to add some garlic. Bit of garlic. All right. Then I'm gonna add the juice from a squeezed lemon. So I'm going to just pour this over a little bit just to get it a little damp. All right. So a little bit. So a little bit more olive oil. Then you're just going to roll this around on here, roll it around so that it can get, you know, evenly spread. All of the flavors can be evenly spread throughout. All your seasons evenly spread on your asparagus. It's looking really good. And then you're gonna put them in the oven and you're gonna bake this. You're gonna roast these for about 10 to 15 minutes on the same 375. You don't want to overcook the asparagus because you don't want the asparagus to be too soft. I like mine's cooked, but a little crunch to them. I don't like them too soft and too soggy and stuff like that. So we're gonna bake these and put them in the oven.